is this?
Ooh, some creepy ass fucking mannequin right there. How you doing?
Oh. It's like an old tailor. Oh! The mannequin. This old house. What? Oh, bro. That was I didn't expect that, to be honest. Dude, my hands are freezing. Whoa, no roof.
$10-ish to $5-ish. What? Oh, rattlesnakes are last. So basically, there's a rock right here. Because
Is it?
yeah, look. It's a rock right here.
Oops. That's wild, man. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Oh wait, this is next to the dip claps though. So.
Oh, but we're in the middle. We're in the triangle of life.
This grass is just over there.
It's not wood. Holy shit.
Oh, that installation's definitely not good for us.
Did you say situation is irrelevant now?
Beautiful. I'm calling out from the number.
Alright, let's just get in here real quick. Alright.
Oh, look.
Oh, okay.
Is that
There's really not much life left to this building.
Yeah, we should probably.
Is that asbestos? I was like, is that asbestos? Oh, you can smell it in the air though. Jesus. Arlo.